Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to this video tutorial where we're going to talk about how you can take your Injective that you have in your Keplr wallet and get that back to Coinbase. Again, I did a previous video where I showed you how to go from Coinbase with your Injective, get that into your MetaMask wallet, bridge that onto the Injective Hub, transfer it into the Keplr wallet because you wanted it for safekeeping there. Now I'm going to show you how we can reverse out of that process. Now, the short version of this video is we're simply going to transfer that Keplr Injective or the Injective in the Keplr wallet to our MetaMask associated Injective address on the Injective Hub. And I should probably say the Injective address that we have associated with MetaMask that's associated to that Ethereum blockchain. And I'm going to show you everything step by step. Once you get it back onto the Injective Hub, you're then going to think of it as like we're reverse bridging it, right? So we're going to bridge it from the Injective Hub back over to the Ethereum blockchain, and it's going to be back into our MetaMask wallet. And then from there, it's a simple transfer, and we're just basically going to send that, paying that fee, going from the MetaMask wallet back to Coinbase. That gets paid in Ethereum, and the bridging fee, and you're going to see Injective is going to take a pound of flesh. It's a $20 fee in order to bridge from the Injective Hub into your MetaMask wallet. So now that I've said all of that, again, if your objective is to get Injective that you're going to stake on the Injective Hub, buy Atom on Coinbase, send that to your Keplr wallet, and then do the swap right in the Keplr wallet web extension and get the Injective, and then connect the Keplr wallet here to the Injective Hub, and then stake that Injective. Now, obviously, if you're trying to back out, you could do the same thing and save yourself all of these crazy fees that you're going to end up getting hit with, from the Ethereum fees to move it from MetaMask back to Coinbase, the Injective $20 fee that you're going to get hit with. So again, some things to think about, and I'll touch on that when we get to that point. Okay, let's get in here. Again, I'm not an investment advisor. This isn't investment advice. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you lose all your Injective doing what I'm demonstrating here, I am not responsible. Okay, we've got that out of the way. Well, here is where we left off. Let's take a look at our Keplr wallet, and you'll see that I've put more Injective into the wallet. And there's a reason for this, because again, that bridging fee that we're going to get hit with is going to be paid in Injective. So you can see right here, I've got 1.407 Injective in my Keplr wallet. All right. Well, I want to get this over into that MetaMask, or I should say, I want to transfer this to the Injective address that's associated with the MetaMask and the Ethereum blockchain. So how am I going to do that? Well, here I am. If I come down here to the wallet, you can see that we've got this transfer section down here. Well, I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to say I want to transfer Injective, and you can see it shows the Keplr balance. If we look at the MetaMask balance right now, just real briefly, right, you can see I only have $1.34.03 Injective here, right? So this Injective that we're talking about is in the Keplr wallet. The amount, I'm going to max it out. The Injective address that we're going to be transferring to, again, this is taking place on the Injective blockchain, right? This is native Injective addresses going back and forth. So this is going to be cheap, super easy. I have that address right here. And so and I just called it the MetaMask Injective address, right? So we're going to copy that address. I'm going to come down back over here. We're going to do Control V, and I'm going to say transfer. You're going to see that this transfer is going to be less than a penny, right? I mean, it's 0.0000. It's way down there. So we're going to approve that. So what did I just do? I took my Injective in the Keplr wallet that has its own Injective address that you can see right here, ending in VDW, and that's in my Keplr wallet. And I just transferred that on the Injective mainnet blockchain and sent that over to the other Injective address that I have that's associated right, with the MetaMask wallet. So if I do a refresh here, and we actually don't have to, you can see the balance is up here. Again, my ERC20 balance, my Keplr wallet's attached, so I'm not going to see anything here, right? This was the Keplr balance where we had the 1.4 injective. It's now basically all gone because we transferred it. And you can see, if we take a look at the balances that we have down here, we get this readout here. All right, so let's disconnect. This is what you have to do. You're going to disconnect the Keplr wallet, and now I'm going to connect back up with the MetaMask wallet, right? This is my window, my gateway, my portal into that Ethereum blockchain related injective. So now when I click on this little MetaMask thing here, right, you're not going to see the injective we just transferred, because remember, it's on the Injective Hub. We no longer have that in our Keplr wallet, right? It's here on the Injective Hub, and it's associated with this address here. Remember, if I click here and I click the little down arrow, you can see this MetaMask related injective address ends in MPC2, and right below that is the MetaMask wallet address, or the Ethereum address that's associated with Injective, right? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to come take a look at the wallet, and let's see if that 1.40 made it. And there was a little in here already. So absolutely, it is here now. Again, look at the MetaMask wallet. It's not going to be there because we haven't put it or bridged it into the MetaMask wallet yet. So you can see that my ERC20 balance, this is what is in the MetaMask wallet right now. We just saw that, right? That $1.34. And it shows 0.04. Again, there's some rounding that takes place, which is why the MetaMask showed it at 0.03, whatever. So now we've got this 1.4. Well, here is where the pain is going to start, dealing with trying to get this injective over to the MetaMask wallet. We're going to bridge it. And I'm going to click on bridge. Now, when this pops up, this is the default. It's going to say, oh, from Ethereum to Injective. Well, no, we want to go from Injective, right? And there's my little wallet address, MPC2, or I should say the Injective address for the Injective I have on Injective Hub. And then here's that 799D. And that is my MetaMask wallet address. Again, this is how we're going to bridge that over. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say we're going to do 1.40. We're going to take it all. And I'm going to say transfer now. And here's where you're going to see the following screen. It shows you the amount that you want to transfer, 1.40. Now, the transfer amount is actually going to end up being 0.8576. Pay close attention to that because the bridging fee is $20. So they're taking their pound of flesh right there, 0.5424 Injective, gone. The gas fee is on top of that, and that's only 0.005, but that's why that 1.4 is now 0.8576. So we're going to confirm this. We're going to get the pop-up window here, and remember, I told you the bridge fee, that is going to go out as Injective, and you can see those fees are listed here. So bridging back from the Injective mainnet to the Ethereum blockchain in the MetaMask wallet, where I'm taking custody of this Injective in my personal wallet, we're looking at a pretty good chunk of fees, $20 and change, right? Now, while this is running, if I was to have simply swapped the Injective to Atom, again, and the assumption here is you're cashing out, right? If you're just trying to get this Injective to Coinbase so that you can sell it and cash out, then come to the Keplr wallet web extension, click on the two arrows, and if you already had your Injective in the Keplr wallet, all you would do is flip that, swap out the max amount of Injective for Atom, and then you can transfer the Atom directly from your Keplr wallet straight to Coinbase, to your Atom address on Coinbase, because it's using the Cosmos address to do that. You don't have to play this game where, okay, I'm going to move the Injective out of my Keplr wallet, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to transfer it to the Injective address that's associated with that MetaMask wallet that's on the Ethereum blockchain. And then I'm going to pay a $20 fee to get it off the Injective Hub into my MetaMask wallet. And keep in mind, there's going to be another fee to make the transfer using the MetaMask wallet. In other words, this 0.86 Injective, we're now going to have to transfer that from the MetaMask wallet to Coinbase. And when we do that, Ethereum is going to take its pound of flesh, and you're going to end up paying an Ethereum fee. Now, the fee coming from Coinbase to the MetaMask wallet was $1.55. I mean, amazing. I'm hoping that we're going to be get as lucky on this transfer going the opposite direction, but we will see. So I'm going to go ahead, and this shows that it's completed. I'm going to go ahead and click close here. And it shows it's completed, but let's make sure. If I come here to the wallet, remember my MetaMask associated Ethereum blockchain Injective address. That's what we're seeing here. And you can see that 1.4 is now gone, right? Well, let's check the MetaMask wallet. Is it in the MetaMask wallet? And it has not made it yet, which means that this bridging activity is still taking place. So I'm going to pause the video, and once it's in the MetaMask wallet, we're going to pick right up where we left off. All right, so we're back here. You can see on the Injective Bridge page with our MetaMask / Ethereum Injective address wallet connected. You can see that the transfer, the withdraw down here worked. However, it took a good 7 to 8 minutes for that to get done. So in addition to the $20 bridge fee, the gas fee, look at the time that you just had to spend waiting there. Do this, swap it to Cosmos inside the Keplr wallet web extension, and then just transfer it to your Cosmos address on Coinbase. Again, if you're trying to cash out and that's what you're trying to do, that's the way to go about it, because look now, my 1.4 Injective, and again, if you're transferred 1,000 Injective, then, you know, maybe 0.5 is not a big deal, obviously, in the big scheme of things. So here we go. So I've got all of this Injective in the MetaMask wallet. Now, this is ERC20 Ethereum-based Injective here, right, in the MetaMask wallet. There is no native Injective blockchain associated with this Ethereum, with the Ethereum block, or I should say with the MetaMask wallet on the Ethereum blockchain. So we're going to send it all, right? I'm going to go ahead and click on send, and it wants the address, so we're going to send it to, all right, so we're going to send it to this address here. Let's copy that address. Let's drop back over. Here, we're going to paste that address in, and let's take a look at the fee. Now, remember, this fee, because we're transferring it on the Ethereum blockchain, it's going to be 0.00138 Ethereum, right, to transfer what's left of our Injective. I'm going to click on Next. Network is busy. Gas prices may vary. And again, that's pretty reasonable right there, $3.37. So we're going to click Continue, and we're going to get that locked in before it's too late. All right, so we're sending the Injective, $3, so $23 in fees. I'm not going to speed it up. We're going to let it go. And again, this is just sending it to Coinbase, right, to a Coinbase address. So now we're going to wait a little bit here for this to take place and to wrap up. And there we go. The send has been completed. And again, it was a $3 fee, so we're looking at $23 in fees at this point. My advice, again, if you're just doing it to cash out, right, is swap it to Atom. And because the Atom price is not going to crater within the 30 seconds it's going to take you to swap it to Atom, send it to Coinbase as Atom, and then just sell it as Atom, right? You're not losing any money in that process. All right, well, that is going to do it for this video tutorial. Hopefully this helps you out and gets you from your Keplr wallet and the Injective back onto the Injective Hub, over to the MetaMask wallet, and back to Coinbase. Again, can't pound this drum enough. A lot easier if you're cashing out. Just go ahead, swap it to Atom in the Keplr wallet, send the Atom to Coinbase. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, I hope to see you guys in the next video.